Hi there guys, welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about plugins in Roblox. You probably heard people talking about plugins in Roblox, and if you don't know what it is, today we're going to explain it. We're going to show you how to install and also how to uninstall a plugin when you don't need it anymore. So what are Roblox plugins? Basically, plugins are just tools that can help you make your Roblox game development life easier. You can find all the different plugins inside the Roblox Creator Store. To get to the store, if you have a page that looks like mine here with the three bars, you're gonna have to click on it. Otherwise, you're probably gonna see a menu bar across the top here and another side menu bar on the left hand side here. Okay, so now I don't have a menu bar at the top. I'm gonna click on these three bars here. To get to the top menu bar, I'm gonna click on the back button here, back to the Creator Hub, click on that. And this is your top menu bar. You're gonna click on Store. Again, if you already have this menu at the top, you're just gonna go and click on Store. All right, so go to Store. On this page, click on Plugins. And these are all the different plugins that you can get. Remember, some of them are free, but some will cost money, like these here cost money. So just read carefully before you get them. At the top over here, you have a search bar, so you can search for the name of a plugin. How about we search for a plugin called Roundify? And you can select the plugin that you want by clicking on it. On this page, if you haven't downloaded the plugin already, you're gonna get a button over here that says Get Plugin. In my case, I have already downloaded it into my inventory, so I have this button that says Try in Studio. To get the plugin, just click on the Get Plugin button and it's going to be downloaded into your inventory. Again, I just want to remind you that not all plugins are free, so just read carefully before getting it. If you want more information about the plugin, you can page down and just read the description over here. Sometimes they have links that you can go to read more about it. Now, I didn't read the description of this plugin yet, but let's go to Studio now and let's see if we can figure it out. I actually have used this a long time ago, so let's see if I can remember how to use it. So here we are inside Roblox Studio, and you can just click on the toolbox here, go to your Inventory tab, and you can select My Plugins. If you have downloaded the plugin into your inventory earlier, your plugin should be somewhere in here. Mine is right here. So just click on it. And here you're going to click on Install. That was quick. It has been installed. You can close this window now. Click on Plugins up here. And you should see your plugin somewhere at the top bar over here. Mine is right here. To use this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Started GUI. Click on Started GUI. Click on the Screen GUI here. We have added the Screen GUI, and we're gonna click on Frame here. We have added a frame. You can resize your frame if you like and change the color if you like. We're gonna go up here and click on Text Label to add a text label. And we're gonna change the background color of the text label. So we're going to go back to the Plugins tab now and click on Roundify. With your text label selected, basically it's going to round the corners of your text label. Here we're going to click on Roundify. You can see the corners of my text label has been rounded. Basically that's what that plugin does for you. It gives you rounded corners. And again, you can see there are other options here, so you can read the description of this plugin to get more information on how to use them. And that is what a plugin is in Roblox. And the next thing we want to do is I want to show you how to uninstall your plugin in case you no longer need it or you no longer want it in your studio. I just leave all my plugins inside Studio, doesn't matter, even if I don't use it. But if you want to uninstall it, just go into the Plugins tab, click on Manage Plugins, and you're going to look for the plugin that you want to uninstall. In this case, let's uninstall this Roundify plugin. So I'm going to click on the three bars and click on Uninstall. The reason I'm uninstalling that plugin is just so I can show you how to uninstall a plugin, not that I don't need to use it anymore. So now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to reinstall that plugin. I'm going to click on Manage Plugins again. I'm going to click on the plus sign here. And I'm going to look for that roundified plugin. By the way, you can do it this way to select any new plugins as well, but I'm going to go to my inventory tab and I'm going to look for my plugins and I'm going to put that back in. Install. And now it is back in. In our video, we touched briefly on how to use the screen GUI, the frame, and the text label. But this video is basically about plugins. It's not about user interfaces. So if you want to learn more about user interfaces in Roblox, we do have a playlist on our channel. So just go to our channel, PriceCP Roblox YouTube channel, click on the playlist, and you can scroll down. Here we have a playlist on Roblox user interfaces, UIs, and GUIs. All you need to know, click on View Full Playlist. And here you find all the different tutorials on how to use text labels, buttons, and all that stuff. Hope you have enjoyed our video. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you again in our next tutorial. Take care, everyone. Peace.